Well guys, it's finally here. The Tomei single exit. We'll just, get straight into it. Now, once you get underneath the car, you're gonna take out these two bolts and these two on this other side as well. So it's gonna look just like this, but again, the muffler delete, so it's just gonna come straight up, just like that. We're gonna get to the white pipe. I'm gonna start unbolting everything. All right, go. On both sides. All right, you ready? Sorry. So this is the Tomei. Oh wait, I need the gasket. Slide it on just like that. Just gonna use them right here as well. This puppy on. Slide it just like that.
No, do it all the way.
What do you mean? This one right here. Just like that. All right. Whew. Okay, one's done. Ooh. Just those 3 seconds. All right, so don't be like me. I didn't realize these right here are the stoppers. So I didn't push it all the way. Now I did. And now it looks beautiful. All right, let's hear it.